Hey, what is going on, guys? You have a GoPro Hero 8. I'm going to show you how to take off and put the side door back on. Very, very simple. Let me go ahead and put it back on, and then I'll show you how to take it off and put it back on, okay? So first thing to take it off is we're going to go ahead and unlock it first. So just get your fingernail and press up really hard, just like that. Now what we can do with the door is, if we just go ahead and push it all the way back, keep on going, it automatically comes off, and you can see that little clamp right there. Definitely, this is a lot easier to do than the previous GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7. Anyways, you can see the little clamps here, the little claws right there. There's two of them there. So now if you want to put it back on, you see the metal rod right there. Just go ahead and place the claw right in between there like that, and just push in. Just like that, till it snaps in place. Now you can go ahead and take it off. Let me go ahead and take it back off, and I'll go ahead and put it back on. Just put it right into there, and I'll push down, and now it's on. There you go. Pretty simple. Good luck.